Hey there, thanks for checking out today's video. Today I'm showing you CTE in action and how families can explore these programs at an event happening tomorrow. We're also heading to Smith Elementary, where one teacher is inspiring a true love of reading. Also, safe travels for 20 of our students heading to San Antonio. And of course, school choice, pre-K, and much more. It is Wednesday, February 11th. Well, we're starting today with a look at career and technical education in action. Thank you to the Houston Chronicle for highlighting our students taking part in a hands-on fire and EMS training at Cesar Chavez High School. Now, this training is part of one of our CTE programs. And this article and photo gallery shows our students suited up, running drills, and preparing for real-world careers in public safety. We're incredibly proud to see our students and our programs getting this kind of recognition. Now, to check it out for yourself, go to our Facebook page. We've shared the link, and I'm also going to drop a link right below. And that spotlight is part of something even bigger happening across HISD. Now, we've been expanding opportunities at the Barbara Jordan Career Center, our centralized CTE hub. Starting next school year, students will have access to 16 high-demand career programs. This will give them even more options and direct pathways into growing industries and high-paying jobs. You can learn more about these programs and see the center for yourself tomorrow. We're hosting a CTE Community Night at the Barbara Jordan Career Center from 4:45 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. Now, this event is featuring the Biomanufacturing Mobile Lab, highlighting one of Houston's fastest growing career fields. Families will be able to tour the center, explore program offerings, and see firsthand how these pathways are preparing students for college, careers, and beyond. You can find more details on the flyer posted on our Facebook page. Now to Smith Elementary for Campus Close-Up. Located in Northwest Houston, Smith is a vibrant school that truly prides itself on inclusion and supporting every student's needs, from strong academic programs to engaging after-school opportunities like music and meaningful parent involvement. Every student, everyone that I spoke with, that is, said the same thing. At Smith, it feels like family. Strong Readers starts with helping students fall in love with it. Today's news story from Smith features my conversation with reading teacher Amy Carroll. She's been at the school for more than 20 years, so she knows that family feeling firsthand. She shares how she's inspiring students to become lifelong learners and helping them build a true love for reading. Tap the title banner at the top that just popped up to watch the full story. HISD goes to TMEA. And best of luck to some of our talented student musicians. 20 of our students, 19 from Kinder HSPVA and 1 from DeBakey, left this morning for the Texas Music Educators Association Convention in San Antonio. TMEA, as it's called, is one of the largest music education gatherings in the nation, bringing together students and educators from across Texas. We want to wish them safe travels and an unforgettable experience at this convention. Before we go, a few quick important reminders. Pre-K applications are being accepted through April 17th, and we have a pre-K festival coming up on February 21st at Wheatley High School. At this festival, families can get help and have their questions answered. For families with K through 12 students, school choice phase 1 applications are open through February 27th. Lottery results and phase 2 open on April 8th. And we'll host a school choice fair for phase 2 families on April 11th at Madison High School. You can find all of this info on our website, and I'm also going to drop links below. And finally, tomorrow is our regular school board meeting. It starts at 5 p.m. right here at Hattie Mae, and you can stream it live on our YouTube channel and on our website. That is it for today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.